Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We are conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.